some more examples on integrations. Now first example, integration e raised to x, x minus 1 upon x square dx is equal to. We know the type, integration e raised to x, f of x plus f dash x. Its integration is e raised to x, f of x. Direct answer. म्हणजे काय e raised to x आउटसाइड ला इनसाइड मध्ये f of x plus f dash x याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मेंटेन होत असेल तर आन्सर e raised to x f of x. Now just I write this integration e raised to x. Now separate denominators x by x square minus 1 by x square. That is equal to integration e raised to x 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Now derivative 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इथे मेंटेन आहे. Therefore answer is this e raised to x into 1 by x plus c. E raised to x upon x plus c. That is A option. A option. Next example number 2. Integration sin log x dx is equal to. Now this is not standard one. Therefore we put log x equal to t. Put log x equal to t. We get x is equal to e raised to t. X equal to e raised to t. Then dx is equal to what? E raised to t dt. Therefore this integration becomes as equal to integration sin log x as a t sin t and dx as a e raised to t dt. That is e raised to t sin t dt. We know the formula directly formula for this. We know that formula, integration e raised to x e raised to x into sin dx. Dx is equal to integration of this directly formula e raised to x upon a square plus b square inside a sin dx minus b cos bx. This is direct answer. Now compare this with that. A is equal to what? A is equal to 1. B is equal to sin bx, again b is equal to 1 and x as a t. Therefore its answer is e raised to x e raised to at 1t e raised to t upon a square plus b square. 1 square 1 square 1, it is 2 just. Inside a means 1 sin dt, sin t minus cos t, sin t minus cos t, and e raised to t means again x by 2 sin log x, t means log x minus cos log x, x by 2 sin log x minus cos log x. Yes, A option. Next example, integration x raised to x 1 plus log x dx is equal to dash dash. Put x raised to x is equal to t. Now this is function raised to function and its derivative आपल्याला directly known है by taking log on both sides. That type, that is its derivative is x raised to x 1 plus log x dx is equal to dt. Therefore integration becomes x raised to x 1 plus log x dx is equal to dt. I becomes I is equal to just integration dt t plus c. T means what? X raised to x plus c. That is a D option. If integration 1 by square root 9 minus 16x square dx is equal to a sin inverse bx plus c, then 4a plus 3b is equal to dash dash. MHTCD 2019 ला विचारलेला क्वेश्चन. Now I take 16 as a common from this. Therefore I is equal to integration 1 by 16 out, that is 4 out, square root 9 by 16 minus x square, that is equal to 1 by 4 integration. This is 3 by 4 square minus x square dx. Now its integration is, this is 1 by square root a square minus x square type, that is sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a, x means x by a upon 3 by 4 plus c, that is 1 by 4 sin inverse, it is 4x by 3. Therefore a is equal to what? A is equal to 1 by 4. A is equal to 1 by 4 and b is equal to 4 by 3. B is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore 4a plus 3b which are 4 times a means 1 by 4 plus 3 into b as a 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 4 cancel, 3 cancel, 1 plus 4 that is equal to 5. That is equal to 5. B option. B option. Next example, integration 1 by 3 plus 2 cos square x dx is equal to MST CT ला विचारलेला question. This is of the type 1 upon a plus b cos square x और a plus b sin square x type. त्या टाइप मध्ये याला से स्टैंडर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन आहे. First we divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. We get I is equal to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. 1 by cos square, 3 by cos square plus 2. That is equal to I write 1 by cos square means sec square x. This is 3 sec square plus 2 plus 2. Sec square I write 1 plus tan square or tan square x plus 1 plus 2. That is sec square x 3 tan square plus 3 plus 2 5. It is 5. Put tan x equal to t. Tan x equal to t. Then sec square x dx as a dt. It is dt. Sec square x dx dt. Therefore integration dt upon 3t square plus 5. That is equal to 3 out. 1 by 3 integration dt upon t square plus 5 by 3. That is 1 by 3. This is x square plus a square type. Tan inverse मध्ये 1 by a. 1 by a means square root of this root 5 by root 3. Tan inverse x by a. X means t upon root 5 by root 3. That is root 3 cancel. Root 3 is there. Root 3 into root 5 root 15. This is reverse. Tan inverse root 3 into t upon root 5. That is t means again tan x. Root 3 tan x upon root 5. Root 3 upon root 5 tan x. 1 by root. A option. A option. Next, if integration x square e raised to 3x dx is equal to e raised to 3x upon 27 into f of x plus c, then f of x is equal to. परत हा सुद्धा MST CT ला विचारलेला question. Here again two functions, therefore integration by parts. I use generalized rule. X square e raised to 3x. This has a u, this has a v. Me u as it is ठेवणार. X square as it is. E raised to 3x integration e raised to 3x by 3. Alternate plus minus, therefore minus. X square derivative, now find out derivative of this. X square 2x. Integration of this e raised to 3x by 3 and original 3, that is 9. Alternate plus 2x derivative 2 just. E raised to 3x upon 3 and original 9, that is 27 plus c. That is what we want. E raised to 3x upon 27 out. E raised to 3x upon 27 out. Inside. Here no 27, therefore multiply by 9. 9x square. Here no 27, therefore multiply by 3. 3 to the 6 minus 6x. Here as it is plus 2 and then plus c. That is, this is what f of x. 9x square minus 6x plus 2. 9x square minus 6x plus 2. Yes, B option. Next example. Integration sin 5x by 2 upon sin x by 2 dx is equal to dash dash. JEE Main 2019 ला विचारलेला question. Alright, integration I is equal to sin 5x by 2 upon sin x by 2. I multiply cos x by 2. Here again cos x by 2 into 2 again divide by 2. That is 2 sin a cos b type is equal to 2 sin cos sin a plus b. A plus b. 5x by 2 plus x by 2, it is 3x plus sin a minus b sin 2x upon 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta type, that is sin x dx. Now sin 3x 3 sin 3 theta is a formula. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x plus sin 2x 2 sin x cos x divided by sin x This numerator sin x common, cancel, 3 minus 4 sin square x plus 2 cos x. That is 3 minus 4 sin square x, I write 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 plus 2 cos x. That is 3, this 2 cancel, minus 2 inside, minus 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 inside, minus 2, minus minus plus 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos x. 3 minus 2, that is 1, 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos x. 1 integration x plus 2 as it is, cos integration sin 2x upon 2 plus 2 cos x, 2 sin x, 2 sin x. That is 2 gets cancelled, x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin x, and plus concept of integration, x plus sin 2x, x plus sin 2x and 2 sin x, x plus sin 2x, x ikkada hai, sin 2x ikkada hai, and 2 sin x. C option, C option. JEE main la विचारलेला question. Next, integration tan raised to 4 dx is equal to, answer is given, then what is this, h value, b value or f of x? Just we have to calculate this. I write tan raised to 4 tan square x into 6, again I write tan square, repeated, just integration tan square, then tan square I write sec square x minus 1, then inside multiplication tan square sec square minus integration tan square x. Separate केला, separate integration. Now this I write, this second as a minus tan square x, I write sec square x minus 1 dx. First integration as it is, this minus minus integration sec square x plus integration dx. For this, put tan x equal to t, its derivative sec square x, therefore it becomes t square dt. Its integration t cube by 3, and resubstitute t is equal to tan, therefore tan cube x by 3. Integration sec square x, it is tan x, and plus dx x plus c. Now what is the correct one? Now compare with this, a is equal to this 1 by 3, b as a minus 1, and f of x is equal to x plus c. Therefore a 1 by 2 wrong, b a 3 wrong, b as a 2 wrong, f of x equal to x plus c. Yes, D option. Next example, example number 9. If integration square root 1 plus sin x f of x dx is equal to 2 by 3 1 plus sin x raised to 3 by 2 plus c, then f of x is equal to, आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे इंटिग्रेशन f of x dx is equal to g of x असेल तर याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं की परत ओरिजिनल मिळतं. म्हणजे आपण आन्सरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं तर आपल्याला इंटिग्रल मिळालं पाहिजे. मी आन्सरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतो बघा, 2 by 3 as it is, this is x raised to n type, that is 3 by 2 1 plus sin x raised to 1 by 2 into 1 plus sin x extra cos x. This 3 to cancel, 1 plus sin x means root 1 plus sin x into cos x. Now this is integrand. Integrand is what, this. Therefore comparing these two, root cancel, then f of x equal to cos x. B option. नेहमी रिव्हर्स थिंकिंग करायचं. जेव्हा एखादं इंटिग्रेशन दिलेलं आहे, इंटिग्रल मध्ये काहीतरी फंक्शन ठेवलं आणि ते आन्सर दिलंय, तर आन्सरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं. आन्सरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढले का आपल्याला मिळून जाईल. दिस. नेक्स्ट, d by dx of f of x equal to g of x, then this. म्हणजे जे आन्सर येणार आहे ते आन्सर याच्यामध्ये कुठलं तर आहे, हे आन्सरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढलं तर आपल्याला काय मिळालं पाहिजे, हा इंटिग्रल मिळाला पाहिजे. व्हॉट इज गिवन, दिस, दॅट इज f dash x is equal to g of x given. f dash x equal to g of x given. Now check, g of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह g dash x इथं मिळत नाहीये, हे येणार नाही. f of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह f dash x हे पण येणार नाही. राहिले हे दोन. Now I take a चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मी काढून बघतो. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढला मी, g of x square 2 times g of x into g dash of x upon 2 to cancel, g of x into g dash of x मिळतं. g of x व्हॅल्यू टाकलं काय मिळणार, f dash x into g dash of x मिळेल. म्हणजे आपल्याला f of x आणि g of x पाहिजे. मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढून बघूया, 2 times f of x into f dash x upon 2 to cancel. F dash x means what? G of x, that is f of x into g of x. Yes, इथं मिळतं याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढले तर आपल्याला हे मिळेल f of x gx. देअरफॉर सी ऑप्शन. हे दोन्ही एक्झाम्पल खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. याच्यामध्ये काय दिलं बघा क्वेश्चन्स असे दिलेत की आन्सर तुम्हाला दिले आणि परत इंटिग्रल मधलं फंक्शनचं विचारलं. आपण नेहमी रिव्हर्स थिंकिंग करायचं. असे एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला सोडवता येतील अशी गॅरंटी नाहीये. यासाठी आपण काय करायचं, ऑप्शनच्या डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं. इंटिग्रेशन टॉपिक मध्ये एक चांगली टेक्निक आहे. काय टेक्निक? ज्यावेळी इंटिग्रेशन सोडवता येत असेल सरळ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं. ज्या आन्सरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कोणत्याही फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढतात. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मिळाला की ज्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा इंटिग्रल मिळतो ते आन्सर तर सी मध्ये मिळतं. इथं आन्सर तयार आहे, मग आन्सरचं मी इंटिग्रेशन घेतलं, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं, मग आन्सरचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं की मला हे मिळालं. कंपेअर केलं f of x equal to cos x, दॅट इज द आन्सर.